Hey guys, Twisted Auto. I didn't put music on this one because I was getting silly with it, and I enjoyed this one a lot because I actually steamed the seats while I was shampooing them. Um, Choosing the right fabric cleaner is vital if you're going to remove any stains, and the right amount of steamer. You don't need to get a DuPont or anything that's like $1,000 steamer. I mean, my steamer is $200, and I mean it crushes it.
The biggest problem
So
on this Subaru
otherwise,
are,
enjoy
as
the
you can see,
video.
the stains that are go from seat to seat. So we'll be steaming those out. I don't think the rest of, well, yeah, there's a couple here, a little bit over there. Majority is just like a lot of debris. All right, here we go. Subaru is done. Steam the seats, because this is what happens when you do the right cleaner additive with the right amount of finesse. Look at that. Those seats look so great. The spots are embedded though. If you get it, let me get it. There you go. So you can see it with a better angle, but then when you're just looking at it, oh, it's great. I can't wait for the excitement of the customer. And then the floor mats, boom. Those things look like they're brand new. Love it. Here we go. These were a lot more pitted stains. It's clear water going all the way through, so those are there to stay, sad to say. And then we got this right here, another jewel. And the red came out really well. It's a nice ruby, actually. There's actually gold flakes in it, so if this was a car that they were going to like try to bring back from the dead, try to make it look slick, I would say it needs a buff and get all that done, or actually a repaint because of the amount of dents and stuff. Otherwise, see ya.